We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important details follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. NORAD has detected that 5 nuclear missiles from North Korea have been launched and are headed for the United States. The following cities may be impacted within the next 15 minutes: Macon, Georgia; Indianapolis, Indiana; Kansas City, Missouri; San Diego, California; and Washington, D.C. The missile headed to San Diego will impact in 15 minutes. The missile headed for Kansas City is expected to impact in 1 hour and 30 minutes. The missile headed for Indianapolis is expected to impact in 2 hours and 45 minutes, and the missiles headed for Atlanta and DC are to impact in 4 hours and 50 minutes. At this time, all residents that are in or within a 500-mile radius of Macon, Indianapolis, Kansas City, San Diego, and DC are to seek a fallout shelter immediately. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, local authorities and the National Guard will lead you to one. Make sure you have all necessary supplies in your fallout shelter, such as food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Tune to stations serving your area for more updates on this life-threatening situation. The President is being moved to a classified location and will be speaking from there shortly. Please stand by for this message and for further updates. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WBRE. We will continue to serve the Wilkes-Barre area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Wilkes-Barre area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated.
Your attention please. This is the British Columbia Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Please listen carefully.
This message is transmitted by the Government of Canada. This is not a test. North Korea has launched 2 more nuclear missiles from unknown locations. These nuclear missiles are heading for Edmonton, Alberta and Toronto, Ontario. The missile headed for Edmonton will impact in 45 minutes, and the missile headed for Toronto will impact in 2 hours and 15 minutes. At this time, all residents in or within a 500-kilometer radius of Toronto or Edmonton are to seek a fallout shelter immediately. If you cannot find a fallout shelter, the Canadian Army will lead you to one. Make sure you have supplies in your fallout shelter, such as food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Once you are in your fallout shelter, tune to stations serving your area for more updates on this life-threatening emergency. The Prime Minister of Canada is being moved to a classified location and will be speaking on all stations shortly. Stand by for this message. This message was transmitted by the Government of Canada.
This emergency message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to radio, television, or cable outlets for further updates. Do not use the telephones for the duration of this emergency.